imagine there are millions upon millions of products in China for you to import that you can actually import, but you need to import only one product. I know you may be wondering, how can I be able to find out that kind of product that I can sell and really make money? Which kind of product will I be able to get from China and sell so that I can make real money, real money? Hot selling products are products that are not yet in the market, in your local market. You are all welcome to China importation class. If you are just joining in, you are in Frank Business Connection. On this channel, we teach importation. We teach traveling out of the country. If you are in a travel abroad to any country of your choice, we also accompany people. We facilitate in our lectures how to travel out of the country to any country of your choice. We are also into real estate development, real estate realtors. We are able to put in place real estate properties for sale. So, if you are in this channel, we teach anything real estate, anything importation, anything traveling. So, if you are part of this channel, I want you to consider to subscribe right now. Just subscribe, hit the subscription button below and subscribe to this channel. Then you like this video so that the next post another video on importation, you are going to be the first to get the notification and the first to watch it. So on this channel, I'll be posting free importation classes to import from China, Bangladesh, Dubai, US, and other countries. So if you are just joining in, I want you to consider subscribing. Subscribe now, please. Subscribe, so that you become my student. Just subscribe now, so that you become my student. All right, without wasting time, let's dive into this video. Let's go into this video. So our course today is how to import, what to do before you start importing. What you do before you start importing. You know, there are many people who want to import, but they don't know what to do. They don't know what to import. Importation is not just to import things and get the pleasure of the fact that you have imported something from China. Importation is a business. And before you get into any business, there are things you need to check and things you need to put in place before you get into that business. So, when it comes to importation, you are importing for business. There are other people who may be importing for personal consumption. Yes, it's possible you can do that. But if you want to start an importation business and you want to learn about importation from China from in every way, from beginning to the end, to how to import goods from China to your home, to your community with just your phone, then this class is for you. This is a series of courses. It's a whole premium class which I have put in place of over 30 courses which you have to take. So I want you to consider subscribing so that each time I load up a course, you will be one of those to watch it. Like I said, you cannot just dive into importation and just start importing. Importation is a process that you need to consider certain things before you put in place. You are not just going to China to import any product. A product that is able to become a hot selling product on the internet. You know, most People who are into importation, they sell online. They sell online, they sell their products online. So you need to know the kind of product that is a hot selling product in the e-commerce platforms. That's why you need to consider first of all these steps to take. So the first thing you have to check on a product to take is that product in the market. These are products that are not yet in your local market, or they are few in your local market and yet they are in demand. Products that are scarce yet they are in demand. These are the kind of products you should go in for. Don't just go in for any kind of product. Look for those products that are in demand and yet they are scarce in your market. Because if the products are in the market, why should I buy from you that you are online? If I can just turn around in my local market and buy it, why should I buy from you that you are online? So the first thing is a product should be a hot selling product that is not available yet in your local market, or it's scarce. It may be available but not common in your local market. The second thing you should check is the problem, the product solving a problem. Is this product solving a problem? What kind of problem is it solving? Imagine a a particular illness that disturbs many people, and you can find out a product that solves that heals or that cures that kind of sickness. Then it will become a hot selling product because the solution is solving a problem and it is not available around the local market. So look at the product. It could be home products, products that facilitate kitchen work. You know, there are products that facilitate works in the kitchen. You know, as times are going on, people are more and more looking for means to reduce the labor that is involved in the kitchen. So there may be products that are facilitated, like little machines, hand machines that facilitate work in the kitchen, but it is not readily available in every market. Those are hot selling products. It could be products that are solving problems of problems like problems of, let's say, problems in health, problems in education. There are products that are solving educational problems that are not readily available in the market, like books, some books that are not readily available in the market but solves serious problems. Those are kind of products that you can get. Mm, okay. Then the next thing you should check is what uh, solution does that product give? What kind of solution the product giving? You know, what kind of solution? Then you check the value addition that the product can give. You know, the value chain is one of the highest thing that people look up to. A product may be available, may not be available in the market. The product may be solving a problem, but the product does not add value. So you need to check products that add value, products that uh, a product may have the solution to somebody's problem, but its value addition does not bring in the kind of money that you desire. So go in for those products that will fetch you the high amount of money. How much can people pay for it? The value of a product, remember, is determined by how much people are ready to pay for it. So you may bring in a product, yes, it is of good, it solves a good problem, but how much can people pay for it? How much people will pay for a pen is not the same they will pay for an iPhone. So you check those products that are solving problems and people can pay well. You can go an extra mile to pay well to get that product. So those are the little things you should consider before you get into the importation business, first of all, choose your product. Choose the kind of products you want to import. Don't just get into the market and you are searching anything, just searching anything. Desire the kind of products that you want to import. And then in this course, in this general these classes, we are going to be breaking down and explaining to you how to import, the various things you need to put in place, the platforms which you are going to use to import, and other things. So I hope you have subscribed in this channel. I hope you have subscribed. I hope you've liked this video. I hope you have shared it to other people so that they can join this train. They will like you and they will bless you for that if you do. So just share this link to other people, to your friends, so that they can connect. Check below in the comment section. You are going to find the link. There's a link there to our class, our free China importation class. Click that link. Let me add you to our WhatsApp group. Then I'm going to link you to our classes, our recorded classes, so that you can just continue from there. Click that link and go to our class. Just click the link and go down. Click the link. I'm going to add you. Okay, without going ahead, I don't want this video to be long. It's just an introduction. Thank you. God bless you till we meet next time.